Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use Botim app for free calls. In order to use Botim app for free calls, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you have to download the Botim app on your device. So open up your respective app store, type in Botim and install it and register with your phone number. Once you're done registering or sign in, then you could just log into your account and this is how it's gonna look. Now, in order to use Botim app for a free call, you just need to make sure to verify. That is, you'll receive a verification code which the app may automatically verify to login. Now, here comes the home page, right? So you could go to the call section, find a specific contact whom you want to call. If you don't have a contact list on this section, you could click on the plus button and then call the person. So I'm just going to simply use this. You just need to go ahead and make sure to click on the call icon. Now, if you just want to go with a voice call, you want to click on this icon. If you want to go with a video call, you want to click on this particular one. And this is the way you'll be able to use Botim app for free calls. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.